Good morning, dear students. This is Divakar Pandey. I hope you all are staying indoors and taking necessary precautions as advised and directed by the Government of India. So, today I am going to start the first chapter, electric charge and field. Today I will discuss the first question, that is from NCERT book. Here the question is, what is the force between two small charged spheres having charge of 2 into 10 power minus 7 coulomb and 3 into 10 power minus 7 coulomb placed 30 centimeter apart in air? So, one thing, keep in mind that before solving the question, first of all, read the question very carefully and note down the values of all physical quantities that is given in the question. So, I am going to solve this question. Here the question is saying that what is the force between two small charged spheres having charge of 2 into 10 power minus 7 coulomb and 3 into 10 power minus 7 coulomb placed 30 centimeter apart in air. Here two charges given, that is Q1 is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 7 coulomb and Q2 is equal to 3 into 10 power minus 7 coulomb, and both charges are placed 30 centimeter apart in air. It means distance is given 30 centimeter. So converted into meter, 30 centimeter can be written as 0.3 meter. Here the medium is given air. Here the medium is air. Now we have to calculate the force acting between these two charges. So we can calculate it by using very important law, that is the Coulomb's law. Here, according to Coulomb's law, if there is two charges, stationary charge Q1 and Q2, separated by a small distance r, so the force acting between these two charges will be F is equal to K Q1 Q2 upon R square, where K is equal to constant of proportionality. In case of air, since medium is air, so we can replace K by Ke, where Ke is the electrostatic constant, or simply Coulomb's constant. You can say it is the permittivity constant, and its value is 9 into 10 to the power 9, and its unit will be Newton meter square per Coulomb square. Now put the value. K is given 9 into 10 power 9, Q1 is given 3 into 10 power minus 7, Q2 is given Q1 is given 2 into minus 7 and Q2 is given 3 into 10 power minus 7 and divided by r square. R square means 0.3 whole square. Now solve it. 9 to 18, 18 3 is 54 into 7 7 14 and minus 14 and 9 minus 14 means 9 5 14 and here it is what you can write it 0.09 and this is equal to 9 6 are 54, here it is 6 and 10 to the power minus 5 and when you transfer 100 to the numerator it will be plus 2. So 6 into 10 to the power minus 3 Newton. So the force acting between two charges, this and this, will be 6 into minus 3 Newton. And one more thing, keep in mind that the value of K depends on the nature of the medium and the system of a unit. So come to the next question, 1.2.